base for accessories. The master first fixes the rough material on the machine. Here we will use Shi cutting tools to complete. First we use a flat milling cutter for end face processing. Replace small tool. Use a chamfering knife to cut round and shaped holes. Use a drill bit to drill holes one by one. Drill holes sequentially from large to small drill bits. Processing threads using a thread milling cutter. Process another small hole again. Continue to refine the details. Perfect the details inside special shaped holes. Flip and continue drilling side holes. Finally perfect the details and it is done. After the product is completed, the master checks the size of each hole. We focus on the production of precision spare parts. Please contact us if you need it.